In our news bulletin for this evening, airport renovations encounter delays with slight changes to the layout. New police urge drivers to restrain young passengers. The new New Zealand High Commissioner to Niue has arrived on the island. Airport renovations have been delayed due to slight changes to plans and availability of materials, but that has not stopped developments. Work to upgrade the airport terminal has been supported with funds from the New Zealand government as well as funds for tourism developments. Customer feedback and discussions with aviation personnel have also been factored into changes to the original design.
The changes we made is that the current check-in area have now changed to the outside canopy to the southern end, and the current check-in area will become the security screening for passengers departing Niue. Also, the current screening area, we're going to build additional toilets, and they will become toilets for the departure lounge to cater for the additional numbers. Currently also, we got the toilets in the departure lounge, which will be under police security. If any passengers coming off the plane needs to go to the toilets as they come off, they will use those toilets, but they will be screened by aviation security until the new toilets are going to be completed, and those will become toilets for the incoming passengers. There's also plans to install CCTV as part of the security of the airport. Also, we have current information of we're looking at the procurement of a conveyor for the arrival passengers. And these are all part and parcel of the improvements of the airport terminal.
Richard says that the project is progressing well, working within the parameters of funding, and that they have managed to make significant savings in employing local contractors to do the job. In some areas, the new facelift is apparent, especially in the departure lounge and arrivals area, as a clear viewing window area that is to ensure security. Although most of the work has been focused on the airport terminal, there are also plans to improve areas outside of the main terminal.
We've already done some improvement outside, but further than that, I think is the parking area and also the toilets outside, that something's going to be done about the toilets. And we will work according to the funding that will be assigned by Cabinet to the project. But all this is part of future developments for the airport. I think the plan was also to have a one-way drive-in and going out one way. At the moment, everybody's just driving into the airport. I don't think, but I don't want to preempt, but a possibility of putting some money towards the maintenance of the airport. Overseas, people pay for the parking, etc. I think this could be one way of getting some money to help improve and maintain the airport facilities.
As a gateway to the world, the airport upgrade is an investment into the growing tourism industry with expected economic returns. Mr. Hipper says that the expectation is that developments will be completed in time for the second air service in May. Niue police are concerned with the number of people who drive vehicles without restraining children. Lately, it has been seen to be common practice for some parents or caregivers who continue to drive whilst holding babies or toddlers on their lap or allowing them to stand on chairs unstrapped. Chief of Police Tony Edwards says this is not only dangerous but is also irresponsible. Although there are no laws at present that require children to be strapped in or in car seats, this is something that they are working on. Police have stopped a number of people during their road policing activities and are asking drivers to use common sense to look after young passengers and avoid accidents. In addition, Niue Police have also issued reminders for road users to renew licenses and registrations before the end of this month. The implementation of 5-year driver's licenses has progressed well, now reaching those with surnames from P to T, paying the $60 fee for a 5-year license. The arrangements for 5-year licenses started in 2011, and Chief of Police Tony Edwards says this is a cost-effective means of payment that will also be easier to monitor. Although licenses will be issued for an extended amount of time, penalties for traffic violations will remain the same, where police may revoke licenses after 3 strikes. All payments for licenses and registrations need to be made by the 31st of March 2014. Niue has welcomed the new New Zealand High Commissioner who arrived on the island last Friday. In October of last year, Foreign Affairs Minister Murray McCully revealed that Superintendent Ross Arden was to be New Zealand's High Commissioner to Niue upon the completion of Commissioner Mark Blumsky's term in December. His Excellency Ross Arden will be the top-ranking diplomatic representative of the New Zealand government to Niue and is no stranger to the island. With extensive experience in the Pacific, including roles as the New Zealand Police Liaison Officer for the South Pacific in Samoa and as a former Chief of Police in Niue. According to Minister McCully, Mr. Ardern would work with Niue authorities to help support the island's increasingly vibrant economy and to address the challenges that come with this growth. The Niue government will be holding an official program for the new High Commissioner to present his letter of introduction on Thursday. And that concludes our news bulletin for this evening.